What do you got this time? Ah!
See if I can touch. Almost!
Oh, almost going for a grab.
Almost, almost. There it was.
I heard it. I heard the grab.
All right.
What do you call that?
What is that little thing?
I don't know. I can't do it.
Oh, you could do it. I think it's kind of like a one-footed turn. I'm calling it a jackknife because when you're at the top, you stand, and then when you go back in, when you turn, you compress and go in.
All right.
So I don't know. But if there's another name, please let me know. I'd love to hear it. So this stall is a one-footed stall with a turn back into the ramp. So you're going forward, one-footed stall, you turn to go back in forward. Now, the way I go, the way I ride or skate is my right foot's my front foot. So my left foot's my front foot. So my left foot is the foot that arrives at the coping, you know, and then I turn right to go back in.
Oh, can you show?
So the first step to doing this, I think, is just do real low. Like, don't try to do the big kicky leg touch. That's kind of like later on. But first, try to keep it real low. And I'm turning to the right, so my left foot's touching the coping. I'm turning to the right, so if you skate the other way, it'll be the other way. Just keep that in mind. But I'm just keeping it real low, and I'm not really committing all the way out of the stall, so it's easy to go back in. Like, I'm not really pushing myself toward the deck. I'm kind of hanging lower. Like, I'll try to show it like this.
All right.
That makes sense?
Okay.
So I'm not really pushing all the way up toward the deck, like in the full, like I'm stalling, like I'm just doing it real kind of, like barely committed, like this. I just touch, turn my head right, and jump back in. So my right foot doesn't even touch. I just touch my left foot, turn my head to the right, and I'm already like at least a quarter way turn by then, so just turn a little more and go back in, diving forward. Remember, hinging at the knees and hips and diving forward.
So you're stalling, when you do that front stall, it's not so much straight, you're kind of at an angle a little bit?
Because I'm going back in.
Okay.
My intention is not to go out, go back.
All right, let's see it again.
Let's try it again. Touch, back down. So the foot on the coping, my left foot, when I'm ready to go, I have to kind of pick it up, jump back in, you know? Like my other foot's already out, so you're already kind of hanging in that position. You just got to commit, turn. Try that again. Pick up, turn.
Okay. Okay.
As you get more comfortable with practicing the motion is when you can try to kind of do the little touch in the back. If you feel, I mean, that's when you get comfortable with it. It takes more of a level of commitment to the stall. You have to stay a little longer and kind of push your hips forward a little more to be able to get that touch, you know?
Yeah.
But let me see if I can do it. Give it a go.
Uh-huh.
Sort of, right?
Yeah.
I'll return. Oh, almost.
Okay. Let me try to get to the other side.
Oh!
Aha. Yeah, let me try it from this side.
You want to see it from that side?
Yeah. Maybe I can see the grab. Go ahead.
Try again?
Because I don't understand it. It looks, well, it looks...
come on. One foot touch, 1 foot kick, body turn. You can see by the time I put my left foot on the coping, my upper body's already turning to the right. I'm already thinking about the turn, right?
Okay. I see. Okay, I can see the foot position a little better from this side.
Let's see that again. Let's do it no touch. No touch, in.
Okay.
Okay, let's try to do it with touch. Touch foot. Touch skate. Ah! That time my foot slid. Oh, that was a mess up.
It's fancy
All right,
looking.
try again. Ah!
Ah.
See it right? There we go.
There you go.
kick that back foot.
Beautiful move. I like it.
You like that move? I'm calling that jackhammer.
Okay.
Or you could maybe call it, because they call that a Marilyn stall when you touch your foot. So it could be like a Marilyn stall with a 180, maybe. Or you let me know if there's another name. Please leave it in the comments. We'd love to hear it. Hope that's a fun one for y'all to try. And we appreciate your comments.
Comics.
And we'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.
See ya.